Dear students, I welcome you all in the online class of EVS. Children, today I am going to teach you a very interesting lesson. So, I request you all to open page number 66 of your EVS book. The name of the lesson is Plants with Benefits. As in our previous lesson we have studied about the different plants and their benefit, in this lesson we are going to study about the journey of food from field to our plates, means how farmers grow crops and how we bring at our homes. In this lesson we are going to study about who grows food, how crops are grown, journey of food from fields to our homes, and different food items. Food. Why we need food, or why do we eat? Food helps us to grow, gives us energy to do work, and keeps us healthy. We eat a variety of food every day. Just think, from where do food come? Who grows food? Plants and animals are the sources of food that we eat. It means we get food from plants and animals. Cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables we get from plants, and milk, egg, meat we get from animals. Fish is also a very common food item that many of us eat. Now we are going to study about the journey of food, means how crops are grown and how they reach from field to home. How crops are grown. The food we get from crops is grown by the farmers. Plants that are grown over a large area are called crops, and the process of growing crops is called cultivation. Farmers work very hard on the field to grow crops. To grow crops, first of all, farmers plow the field with tractors. Then they add manure and fertilizers to make the soil rich in nutrients. Farmers then select healthy seeds suitable for the season. Then these seeds are sown in the soil and irrigated so that the seeds get enough water. With the right amount of water, the seeds grow into sapling and then into crops. Insecticides and pesticides are sprayed on the crops to protect them from insects and pests. To help the farmers, the government has provided different means and resources. Now, farmers get good seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides at very reasonable rates. They also get loans to buy tractors and modern agricultural equipments. Journey of food from fields to our homes. When crops are ready, they are harvested manually or with the help of machines. After harvesting, they are stored in different ways. Grains and pulses do not get spoiled and can be stored for a long period. They are stored in gunny bags. Fruits and vegetables get spoiled very easily, so they are packed in boxes made of cardboard or wood. The packed crops are sent to wholesale market, which is known as mandi. They are carried from the farm to the mandi in carts, trucks, tractors, or trains. The grocer and vegetable vendors from towns and cities come to the mandi to buy food items in bulk at wholesale rates. They carry the food to their local area and sell them to local shopkeepers and sellers. We buy those food items from the seller. This is how food reaches us from the fields. Different food items. Some food items obtained from plants are grains, pulses, nuts, oilseeds, spices, fruits, and vegetables. These can be used to cook different dishes. Cereals. Food grains or cereals are the main food item for many people around the world. Some examples of food grains are rice, wheat, maize, and oats. Food grains are rich in carbohydrates. It is an important source of energy. Cereals or grains are the seeds of plants. Cornflakes and oats are used as breakfast cereals. Pulses. Pulses are dried seeds of plants that are rich in proteins. They are body-building foods. Some examples of pulses are arhar, moong, masoor, urad, rajma, and chana. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. They are rich in vitamin, minerals, and other nutrients. Fruits like mangoes, bananas, grapes, etc. are fleshy fruits. Oranges, lemons are rich in vitamin C. They are called citrus fruits. We also eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Carrot, turnip, radish, etc. are roots. Cauliflower, broccoli, banana flower are flowers. Spices. Spices are different parts of plants. They can be flower, fruit, seed, root, or bark of some plants. When spices are added to food, they give flavor and taste to the food. Some examples of spices are bay leaf, turmeric, ginger, clove, black pepper, etc. Kerala is the largest producer of spices in India. It is therefore called the land of spices. Oil seeds. Oil seeds are seeds from which cooking oil is extracted. Oil is used for cooking food. Some varieties of oil are mustard, groundnut, sunflower, etc. Beverages. Any drink other than water is called a beverage. For example, milk, tea, coffee, juice, soft drink, etc. Tea is obtained from leaves of plants by drying them. Coffee is obtained from the beans of coffee plants. Activity. Children, there is a question. The question is, Find out the recipe of your favorite dish and note it down in your rough copy. You have to find out what is your favorite dish and you have to write the recipe of that dish. You have to write the recipe of your favorite dish in your rough copy. That's all about this lesson. Thank you.